Hi everyone. Today we had a most wonderful day. We traded in Siemens, HDFC First Bank, Astral, and I just want to show you the trades that I have traded. We had an entry in Siemens at about this level, which is 2450 or 2447, and look at the breakout that the stock has given. It just went on unidirectionally and we made good money. I had given a call option for a buy, and have a look at this. This is how I traded. I have completed these trades. I made somewhere around 1,32,000 in Siemens, 26,000 in IDFC First Bank, 11,000 in Dabur, and ABB I made 11,000. So these are the two positions I still have open. ABB is open, Dabur is open, PEL are the two, like it's a combination trade that I'm doing. It's still in the loss, but I'm expecting it to give us good move. Let's see. So see here, these are the two open positions. These are 4 open positions that I have. I have these 4 open positions which I will be trading, which I'll be taking care tomorrow. But hope for the best. I'm expecting good move up tomorrow in both ABB, Astral, PEL, and just wanted to share it with you all, and I'll be keep sharing with you more. I'll just show you my entry in Siemens. It was a very beautiful IDFC First Bank. I'll show you my entry. IDFC FB. This is how IDFC was, and it gave a very beautiful movement. We entered somewhere here when the stock gave us a move somewhere here. We entered somewhere here. This is what our entry was, and this is the move stock has given, and it still looks very promising. So guys, keep learning, keep earning, and keep making good money. All the best. See you in the next video, and make good money along with Stock Pro in every day. We do live trading from 11 to 12. Join us through our Telegram link, or you can even talk to my team by going to the description box. Take care. See you.